Want to start flying drones without crashing your budget or your drone? Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best drones for beginners, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you're looking for easy controls, great camera quality, long flight time, or advanced beginner-friendly features, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right drone with confidence. I'll cover key features, real-world performance, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. DJI Avata 2 Fly Smart. The DJI Avata 2 is an FPV drone designed to deliver an immersive flying experience. It comes with GN3 goggles and the RC Motion 3 controller, making it one of the easiest ways for beginners to get into FPV flying. Review highlights. Unlike traditional camera drones, the Avata 2 puts you in the pilot's seat. The motion controller simplifies flying, and the built-in propeller guards add an extra layer of safety for newer pilots. Pros: immersive FPV experience, includes GN3 goggles and motion controller, built-in propeller protection, 4K video recording, beginner-friendly FPV controls. Number 4. Bwine F7 Mini 4K. The Bwine F7 Mini is a lightweight drone featuring 4K video, 8K photo capability, a 3-axis gimbal, GPS-assisted flight, and an included remote with a built-in display. Review highlights. This drone offers impressive features for the price. GPS stability, auto-return functionality, and beginner mode make it easy to learn while still providing smooth aerial footage. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS tracking and auto-return, beginner mode included, up to 64 minutes of total flight time, FAA-exempt 249-gram design. Number 3. DJI Flip Fly Combo. The DJI Flip is a compact camera drone featuring palm takeoff, intelligent flight modes, auto-return, and a 4K UHD camera. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries for extended flying sessions. Review highlights. This drone is designed for simplicity. Beginners can launch it from their hand and capture impressive footage without needing advanced piloting skills. Pros: palm takeoff feature, intelligent flight modes, 4K UHD camera, auto return function, up to 93 minutes total flight time. Number 2. DJI Neo 2 Motion Fly. The DJI Neo 2 combines beginner-friendly controls with FPV capabilities. It includes the RC Motion 3 controller, GN3 goggles, and 3 batteries for extended flying. Review highlights. The Neo 2 makes FPV flying more approachable than ever. Stable transmission, easy controls, and DJI's flight technology help beginners gain confidence quickly. Pros: easy-to-learn FPV flying, stable video transmission, includes 3 batteries, motion controller support, excellent DJI ecosystem integration. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Fly More. The DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo is one of the most beginner-friendly camera drones available. It features a 4K camera, vertical shooting capability, lightweight design, and 3 batteries for up to 114 minutes of total flight time. Review highlights. The Mini 3 strikes the perfect balance between simplicity and performance. It delivers excellent image quality, long flight times, reliable transmission, and intuitive controls that make learning easy. Whether you're creating travel videos, social media content, or simply exploring aerial photography, the Mini 3 offers a premium experience without overwhelming new pilots. Pros: excellent 4K camera quality, up to 114 minutes total flight time, lightweight and portable design, vertical shooting for social media, very beginner-friendly controls. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing ease of use, camera quality, flight performance, battery life, and overall value, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo stands out as the best overall drone for beginners. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.